Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back into another day of Vlogmas, aka Durismas. Today, we're going to be opening up the Ulta Advent Calendar. This is the Joy and Beauty Advent Calendar and is only available at the Ulta in Target. I'll pop up pricing and everything here. I did also get a 15% off discount, so it was even less than that, and it's supposed to have a $133 value. It does have the products on the back. I'm trying my best to not look at that, and it also says bonus product. This one is a 12-day advent calendar. I will say that I really like the packaging. I like all the bells and whistles, and I like for it to kind of scream holiday if it happens to, but I also really love this, and of course yellow and pink are my favorite colors, so excited about this. I am looking for, do I feel like I've gotten my value for my money, first and foremost? How many of these products do I think I'm actually going to use? And could I have taken that $35 or $40 and gone and bought something else with it and maybe been more excited about that? And ease of use. I like already that I'm kind of seeing that the little finger kind of divots or holes are a little bit bigger. Some of these, you guys, I am on the struggle bus to get into them. So if you love advent calendars and you want to see what's in here, keep on watching. All right, we're going to start with day number 1. And yes, that was super easy. One of my all-time favorite products already. Package came out easily. It is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I have purchased multiples of these. It's a holy grail product. Love. I'm already excited, you guys. Day number 2, we have a bigger pocket over here, or a bigger door over here. Easy again. And it is a Kate Spade perfume sampler. If you guys are with me all the time, you guys know that I love sample products because we travel to go see our grown son consistently. So I'm excited to have that. I've not tried this scent though, so hopefully I like it. Number 3 is over here. Again, very easy. Ooh, something from Tula. This is the Tula The Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. They're on a roll, y'all. I'm excited. I'm really, really excited already. Number 4. 712. I mean, I know I don't have my glasses on, but I'm not seeing. Oh. Number 4. Look, y'all should have told me. Were y'all yelling at me in the comments? Number 4. Very easy again. Another cult classic. This is the Grande Lash. This is the Grande Lash Enhancing Serum. I know even the mini, this is like a travel mini or like a sampler. I know that mini even is like $30 possibly, so I feel like I'm already getting a really good value here. Number 5 is down here. Kind of hard to hold. Oh, we got some Fenty. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in Fenty Glow. I do not have this one, so I am excited. Y'all, this is good so far. Number 6. Oh, we got a big boy over here, you guys. This is kind of hard to hold this up. Let me open it up and then I'll lift it up for y'all. I'm kind of wanting y'all to see it with me in real time. I have no idea what the hell this is. Oh, this is a Morphe Mini Continuous Prep and Set Supercharged Setting Spray. I've also not tried that. I hear mixed reviews about the ones that are like this. I don't know that I would want to use this, and I'm saying that because like even aerosol like hair products, I do not like. So, yeah, we'll see. Y'all let me know what y'all think. All right, number 7, we have another little small door over here. Another one of my holy grail products is the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. I love the, I have multiples of them. I love the lip liner and have multiples of the lip liner, y'all. This is good. I mean, in my opinion, these are things I love. All right, number 8 is our big boy. I don't know if that's supposed to be the bonus in this particular door, but we're about to find out. Let me kind of hold it back this way in case something falls out. Okay, yeah, there are 2 items in here. Another one of my holy grails, Clinique Happy. Y'all, the last bottle that I bought, it fell off of the bathroom sink and it busted. Like 2 days after I bought it. Devastating. I'm not a fan of Clinique. They don't mesh well with my skin. I don't know why, but this is the Clinique Moisture Surge 100 Hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. Whew. So this is the only thing literally so far that I'm like, All right, number 9, we have a itty bitty little baby over here. Some more of my favorites. I don't know if y'all can see my perfumes back there, but I have quite a few Ariana Grande perfumes. This one I'm having a little bit of a hard time getting out of here. And I note that, you guys, for people that have dexterity issues, this is the Ariana Grande Mod Vanilla. I'm smelling this right now. I have not smelled this one, and I don't have this one. Why would I spray it directly on myself? That was dumb. Oh my god. Love. Love. I'm so excited. The only thing I'll note about Ariana Grande perfumes is, like, if you love sweet, gourmand, yummy deliciousness, you're gonna love them, but they do not last very long on the skin. Just noting it. All right, number 10 is right next door. Another cult classic, another favorite. This is the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Primer. They did recently gift me a full size. And just in case y'all are wondering, especially if you're new here, I do a ton of secret giveaways during the holiday season, during my 31-day Vlogmas Christmas marathon, you guys. So anything that I know I'm not going to use is going to go into those giveaways. All right, that was day number 10. Number 11, I know it's right in front of my face. Number 11 is a mid-size door. I also like that this is not just falling apart and I can't control it anymore, because I've definitely had that happen as well. Okay, this is a Mario Badescu, the Vitamin C Serum. I'm also not a fan of his products, which I've only tried the setting sprays, and I just did not like them. So yeah, I probably won't keep that either. And then day number 12, you guys, on our final day, we got a pretty big door here. Yay! Okay, y'all, look, we have a MAC Stack Super Stack Mega Brush Mascara, and it's a pretty good size. It's not like the super tiny mini. So I will take a picture and insert it of everything that we got. I feel like, I think this retailed for $35 or $40, and again, I got 15% off. Absolutely feel like I got my money's worth. I absolutely see the value here. Oh, and now I can see the back of it. Actually, I'll just hold it right here for you guys. So you can see every product that was included. And I know, like, a lot of these, like the brow setter, I think this size by itself is like $14. The mini lip injections, I think, are also around $14. So those two almost pay for the price of the entire thing. I am thrilled, you guys. This was a banger. I like this a lot. Obviously, we all have our own preferences and stuff like that. Maybe you're looking at this and you're like, Riri, girl, no, that is trash. That's your opinion, and you're entitled to it, and that's just fine, baby. Literally, the only things that I'm like, meh, are these 3 right here. So, again, I'll pass them along, and I do secret giveaways throughout the entire holiday season and stuff like that. So, yeah, that is it. Let me know what you guys think. Have you picked this up? What are your favorite advent calendars? Have you never tried an advent calendar? Thank y'all so much for joining. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And, of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.